Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix US Mobile RCS chat not working, Google Messages and carrier services fix US Mobile RCS issues by clearing the data and cache for Google Messages and carrier services, then restarting the device. If the problem persists, use the official Google web portal to reset your phone number profile. First, advanced fix. Force a mobile configuration sync. Open the Google Messages app, then tap the search bar magnifying glass at the top. Now type exactly star XYZZY star and wait for a pop-up text stating debug mode enabled. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select the new debug option. Now navigate to RCS, then go to Configure Mobile Configuration and choose your active US mobile SIM. Then tap Force Sync Mobile Configuration at the top. Go back to your standard RCS chat settings menu and toggle it on. You can turn off debug mode by typing star XYZZY star into the search bar once more. Second, alternate fix, web-based remote deactivation. Go to the official Google Messages Disable Chat portal. Scroll to the bottom, enter your phone number, and input the verification code sent via SMS to disconnect your profile. Now wait 10 minutes, then open Google Messages on your phone to turn RCS chats back on. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.